Great. Anything which you want to discuss with me? In the last lecture, any question from exercise 13.2? We have almost finished. I'm going to start with the examples of miscellaneous today. Anything which you want to discuss? You're welcome. Garima.
No, sir.
Okay. चलिए तो Noorpreet, Ayush, Garush, anything which you want to discuss? चलिए I'm going to discuss with you example 21st of miscellaneous. So he's saying compute the derivative of the first part I'm going to discuss. My question is fx is equal to sine 2x. So in this question, what we have to do? We have to find the derivative of sine 2x. So this is equal to f dash x. That means derivative of sine 2x. अब देखिए, on that day I have discussed a chain rule. In the case of chain rule, what I have to take care? First, I have to do the derivative of sine. This is the first part of the chain. Then I will do the derivative of 2x. So see, what is the derivative of sine? This is cos is to 2x. Angle I am going to write with that. यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट रूल क्यों नहीं लगेगा? बिकॉज साइन इटसेल्फ इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. साइन के साथ कुछ अटैच्ड हो वो फंक्शन है. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे अगर होता साइन x इज टू 2x तब मैं प्रोडक्ट रूल लगा देता बिकॉज ये अलजेब्रिक फंक्शन होता, ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन होता. यहाँ पे क्या है? साइन 2x है. साइन अकेला है. साइन अकेले की कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं है. तो साइन 2x का डेरिवेटिव हो गया cos 2x बिकॉज साइन का डेरिवेटिव क्या हुआ? cos 2x साथ में आ गया. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ चेन रूल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2x. पहले मैंने ट्रीटमेंट किया साइन का, उसके बाद नंबर आया 2x का. तो पहले ट्रीटमेंट किया साइन 2x का, तो साइन 2x का हो गया cos 2x. अब उसके बाद ट्रीटमेंट हुआ 2x का, तो ये हुआ cos 2x multiply by, now 2 is constant, 2 will come at front. So derivative of x is 1. So this is 2 cos 2x is to 1, which is 2 cos 2x. This is the derivative of this function f dash x. F dash x is equal to 2 cos 2x is the answer. So any doubt, those who have joined late, might be possible they will get some doubts. तो दैट इज नॉट द इशू. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जहां पे उनको कोई डाउट है तो वो मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं, दोबारा बात कर सकते हैं. दैट इज नॉट द इशू. कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस cot x. तो देयर इज अ डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, तो एफ एक्स is given to me. This is cot x. This I can also get through. See, cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x. Now I can apply quotient rule to find the answer. Directly we know that the derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. This is the derivative, but let's see how it comes. So cot x is written as cos over sin. Now f dash x, when there is a division of two functions, दो functions की division आ गई हमारे पास, तो what I will do? I will apply quotient rule. कोई बच्चा मेरे को ये बताएगा यहाँ पे कि क्वोशिएंट रूल क्या होता है? नूरप्रीत कैन टेल, गरिमा कैन टेल, व्हाट इज क्वोशिएंट रूल? नूरप्रीत. पहली बात तो मैं क्वोशिएंट रूल कब इस्तेमाल करता हूं, पहले तो ये मेरे को बताओ.
सर जब दो जो टर्म्स होती है या फंक्शंस होते हैं वो डिवीजन में होते हैं.
परफेक्ट, पहली बात बहुत अच्छा कि when there are two functions which are in division, then we can apply the quotient rule. So here there is a one function, there is second function sin x, both the functions are in division, so I will apply quotient rule. So Noorpreet, can you tell me what is this quotient rule? Are you
So
getting?
firstly,
हाँ हाँ
yes,
बताइए बताइए.
firstly we take sin x and then derivative of cos x.
सबसे पहले जो भी नीचे फंक्शन है उसका स्क्वायर, जो भी नीचे फंक्शन है उसका स्क्वायर, फिर नीचे वाला फंक्शन एज इट इज,
Then
डेरिवेटिव
derivative of
ऊपर
cos
वाले
x.
फंक्शन का, और ऊपर वाला क्या है cos x माइनस, फिर ऊपर वाला फंक्शन एज इट इज और डेरिवेटिव नीचे वाले फंक्शन. अब देखिए sin x एज इट इज, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos x माइनस sin x. When I will write minus, I will put it in bracket, minus cos x as it is, derivative of sin x, cos x. This is sin square x. So which is minus sin square x minus cos square x upon sin square x. So can you take negative outside? This is sin square x plus cos square x upon sin square x. So which implies my f dash x is equal to minus sin square x plus cos square x. This is 1 upon sin square x. So 1 over sin square x, this is minus cosecant square x. So this is f dash x. So यही तो मैंने लिखा था. सो यहाँ पे आपको क्या किया हमने, सबसे पहले मैंने जो cot x था उसको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर. when the function is in the form of numerator and denominator, तो मैंने क्या किया, क्लियर कट क्वोशिएंट रूल लगा के उसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया. तो जिन बच्चों ने वो लेक्चर नहीं अटेंड किया, तो बेटा fx अगर u ओवर v की फॉर्म में हो, u एक अलग फंक्शन है, v एक अलग फंक्शन है, तो इसका f डैश x किसके बराबर होता है, नीचे वाले फंक्शन का स्क्वायर, नीचे वाला फंक्शन एज इट इज, डेरिवेटिव किसका, ऊपर वाले फंक्शन का, माइनस ऊपर वाला फंक्शन एज इट इज, डेरिवेटिव नीचे वाले फंक्शन का. और if the function is in the form of numerator and denominator, f dash x is equal to square of the denominator, then denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator. So this is called quotient. This is called quotient rule. So I hope this is clear with all the students who are present here. Still few are absent here for today. Rana Kanwar, Sahel, Manvi, they have not come. No, don't. Let me call their parents. So any doubt to any student up to this?
No,
No,
sir.
So इसको ओके हो गया बेटा, इसको मैं क्लियर कर सकता हूँ. हॉस्टल यू पीपल आर नोटिंग.
थोड़ा सा सर है.
डोंट वरी, मेरे को बता देना बस कि यू पीपल हैव नोटेड, देन आई विल गो टू द एग्जांपल 22. Who has left? Ankit, Ayush is present. Ayush, everyone. One student, Karman Paul. I feel Karman is not here. No, Karman is here.
Sir, I'm here.
Ah, you are here. One student has left. Who left? Gosh. She's there. No one is not here. Sorry. So can I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
चलिए, boys voted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलिए, देखिए, I'm going to example 22 of miscellaneous exercise. He's saying fx is equal to x5 minus cos x upon sin x. Again, clearly it is of numerator and denominator. ये मेरा numerator, ये मेरा denominator. So I will apply quotient rule, which is denominator square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator. So denominator is sin x is to derivative of numerator. This is x5 minus cos x minus numerator as it is x5 minus cos x is to derivative of denominator divided by denominator का whole square. So denominator is sin x, so sin x का whole square. Sin x is to, अब देखिए derivative पहले x5 का, so this is 5x4. I have applied the formula minus cos x. Derivative of cos is minus sin, so I am going to write it as a minus sign. Keep everything is in bracket because the sign is of negative. Minus x5 minus cos x as it is in bracket is to derivative of sine, it is cos x divided by sine square x. So this is sin x 5x4 plus sin x minus cos x x5 minus cos x upon sin square x, which implies f dash x is equal to, अब देखिए मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए 5x4 sin x plus sin square x minus x5 cos x plus cos square x over sin square x, which is equal to 5x4 sin x minus x5 cos x plus sin square x plus cos square x. I have regrouped the terms upon sin square x, which is equal to 5x4 sin x minus x5 cos x plus. Now see, sin square x plus cos square x, this is 1 upon sin square x. This is my f dash x. So this is the derivative. You can solve it further by taking x4 outside common, and this is all. So any doubt up to this? Clearly, this was the application of a quotient rule. I have two functions with me. One function is in the numerator and second function is in the denominator. And these are the two complete functions. These are the two complete functions. One is in the numerator, second is in the denominator. So I have applied the quotient rules. Denominator square as it is, denominator is to derivative of numerator minus numerator is to derivative of denominator. Clear? Rest, it is all about the differentiation. x5, differentiation of x5, it was 5x4. Differentiation of cos x, it was minus sin x. Differentiation of sin x, it was minus cos x. Rest is multiplication and addition. Manvi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Why you have joined so late?
Sir, actually, I've been trying since earlier, but right now only the portal was having some issues, so it only worked right now.
चलिए, बट पोर्टल तो बेटा बाकियों के लिए तो कोई इशू नहीं है, आपके लिए कैसे इशू? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिए. Any doubt to any student in this, please let me know. Then we'll move to the next example. Garosh, is it clear to you? Karmanpal?
Yes, sir.
Great. When you will note it down, let me know, then I will clear and move to the next example.
Noted, sir.
Great. Chलिए. Next example, same kind type of example. Again, the application of a quotient rule. Example, second part of the example. Example 22 is saying fx is given as a x plus cos x upon 10x. Okay, so this is f dash x. Again, this is my numerator u, this is my denominator v. So denominator whole square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator as it is, derivative of denominator. So which is equal to 10x as it is, derivative of x, it is 1. Derivative of cos x minus sin x minus x plus cos x as it is. Derivative of tan x, this is secant square x. Tan square x as it is. Now multiply and solve it. This is tan x, 1 minus sin x minus secant square x, x plus cos x tan square x. So this is tan x minus tan x sin x minus x secant square x minus cos x is to secant square x upon tan square x. So you can solve it further. You can write it as a tan x minus tan x secant x minus x secant square x minus, this is cos x, this is 1 over secant square x. So cos x is to secant square x, this is 1 over cos square x. This goes, so it is only secant x upon tan square x. Afterwards, you can take something outside common and you can solve it further. So this is all about this question. After that, I will solve question number 17 of the exercise. Fx is equal to sin x plus cos x plus 1 upon sin x plus cos x only, not 1. So this is sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x. So again, because it is a division of two functions, so I will take this function as a u and this function as a v. So sin x minus cos x whole square, v square, then sin x minus cos x as it is, derivative of sin x plus cos x minus sin x plus cos x as it is, derivative of sin x minus cos x, which is sin x minus cos x, derivative of sin x, this is cos x, minus derivative of cos x, this is minus sin x, minus sin x plus cos x, derivative of sin x, it is cos x, derivative of cos x, it is plus sin x. Sin x minus cos x whole square, which is now, this can be written as sin x minus cos x. So you can take negative outside from here. So it will be minus sin x minus cos x whole square minus sin x plus cos x whole square upon sin x minus cos x whole square, which is negative outside sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x plus sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x upon sin x minus cos x whole square. Now, which is negative. Now see, this is sin square x plus cos square x. This is 1. 2 sin x cos x goes with 2 sin x cos x. And this is sin square x plus cos square x. This is again 1 over sin x minus cos x whole square. So this is minus 2 upon sin x minus cos x whole square. This is the net derivative. So try the questions of this exercise, and tomorrow I will take the difficulties, and then we will go forward.
Excuse me, sir.
G.
सर पीए का सिलेबस बता दो एक बार.
Permutation and combination, I think we have decided.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Permutation and combination we have decided for PA. It is on 15th now. आपका जो PA है वो 15 का है शायद.
पता
ये
नहीं सर,
ना-
अभी तक हमें कुछ बताया ही नहीं है
15 का है. चलो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. 15
सर,
का
क्योंकि
है.
मुंडी मैम ने बताया था कि इट इज फॉर 30 मार्क्स जब उन्होंने सिलेबस दिया था 1 आवर, एंड इट इज फॉर 30 मार्क्स इन द लास्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी.
हाँ, तो 15 का है. तो आप परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन अपना रेडी रखिए उसके लिए. फाइन.
ओके सर.
है ना. आप परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन आप अपना तैयार रखिए उसके लिए. मैथमेटिक्स, हाँ यस. 29 को भी है, 15 जनवरी का भी लिख रखा है. तो चलिए कोई नहीं, आपको विल प्रिपेयर फॉर 15th. थैंक यू. टेक केयर.
Thank you,
थैंक
sir.
यू सर.